Hi, my name is Maungo Thabeng. I'm 19 years old. I come from a village called Kange here in Botswana. Basically, I love singing. I've sung for 19 years. That's how long I've lived, yeah. I sang from primary until right now, yeah. And basically, singing expresses who I am, and I can write about it to express how I feel, and I can communicate with other people who understand the genre of music. Thank you. I'm going to be singing a song called Amazing Love, and it's from Hillsong. Yes. Amazing love has won my heart. I am in awe of all you've done. You gave us Jesus, and with him you freely give us everything. Amazing love that sets me free from all that would rain down on me. You are my strength, my help, my friend, and my hope, life without end. My Father, I'm so secure in you. Oh, your perfect love drives away all my fear. Father, I love you, for you have loved me first. Yeah.